about Christmas?
Okay.
What are you doing for Christmas?
Are you making room in your toy box for Christmas?
Yeah, but what are you doing for Christmas?
Want help? Yep.
Take your camera out? Carter said before he's making room for Christmas this year in his toy box.
You're very organized with how your trucks are lined up, all facing out and stuff, Carter.
I wonder where he gets that from.
If we only knew.
Carter, what do you think you're getting for Christmas this year? Oh, well then we don't need to make room for new stuff. If you're not getting more toys, then why are you making more room? For Christmas?
Yeah.
What do you want for Christmas?
A
A
bus.
bus?
Yeah,
Yeah, but we already have a bus. Look it. Where is your bus? Oh, you already put it over here.
What?
Yeah, so why do we need another bus?
Wow.
What is it? Put on your hat. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, no. Oh, you're not stacking them up nice now.
It is for Christmas.
Yes, we're making room for Christmas. Uh-oh. Why are you relocating your toys? Hey, Carter, can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
There goes his favorite bus. Lining them all up. This is proof of his OCD.
Where do you think he gets that from?
Carter, where do you get your OCD from?
From
From who? Mommy or Daddy?
Daddy.
That's right. And your Diego luggage. You only have room for one more. It's not going to fit. There you go. That one will fit. Carter, how are we going to get in the living room now if you have it blocked off? Oh, I can fit through there?